Today here we are at Centennial College at the School of Transportation, the Ashtonbee Campus. Centennial is hosting our New York Region Challenge for the Transportation, or the automotive competition. We had 14 students from 5 different secondary schools coming from our board to compete today and to demonstrate their skills in the auto industry.
As the competition continues and the students can go through their different sections, they will do a section on brakes, for example, where they disassemble the brakes. There's another rotation on engines. They'll remove an intake manifold, take some measurements and put it back together. An interview portion where they'd sit down as apprentices trying to get a job in the service department. And finally a section that's on car where they diagnose a difficulty or problem with the car.
I actually go to co-op in an automotive service shop, and then with this competition I actually get to try it for myself, and it is like a big change because gaining more experience under immense pressure and time, and also having fun because I actually really enjoy doing automotive work and services on cars, and I hope to become an aerospace engineer, so I hope this experience could help me in that way.
The first time I competed here was last year, and I had a lot of fun here for my second year before I graduate. I've been working at a mechanic shop for the past 3 years now, and I find that this kind of stuff is really fun because it's not really competitive at work, you know? So when I come here, I get to apply my skills somewhat and learn something new at the same time.
A lot of our participants are stepping outside their comfort zone. They're seeing what they can do, what they're capable of, and also they're taking a look at our facility here, hoping that one day maybe they want to join Centennial College and a career in the trades. And that's our hope, to show everybody that this is a great career and there are jobs out there.
We had a great showing. The kids were very enthusiastic. We were right into it. Everyone was happy. Really big thanks for the teachers for bringing them in. We also had special guests. We had the Minister of Education come and then check the competitions. We also had our director, and we had also our chairman and our coordinating superintendent on top of our principal, and my colleague also to help here to support for the day.
Came to this competition and I had high expectations for myself. I did hope to win, and going through each of the sections like suspension and brakes, engine mechanical, on-car diagnosis, all of these were definitely challenges for me. Working, especially under supervision of the judges, as nice as they were, it did add a little bit. Time limits were pressured, but I think just flowing through, trusting my own experience with my co-ops and what my teachers taught me, I think that was very valuable in helping me win and do what I could today. Just trust in what you can do, know your tools, know what's asked of you, and just flow through tasks and you'll be okay, no problem.
There's a lot of communication that they need to be able to communicate with the customers or with their bosses, and once they find out what's the problem, right? So because they're diagnosing the problem, and then they have to provide solutions, right? So there's that critical thinking element. There's the next step. What do I need to do? Who do I need to tell? And also the computer skills, because there's a lot of computers now in the cars, and then they're using these tools to diagnose and then basically making informed decisions based on those tools.